video, I want to show you how to trade leverage tokens, and I'm making this video for those of you who want to make profits on a daily. Now, there are leverage tokens on exchanges like OKEx. There's leverage tokens on Binance. Now, you can make profits from those coins daily only if you predict which way the coins will go up. Now, on OKEx, for example, the leverage tokens, they are called bear, like bear, which means the coin will go down, bull, which means the coin is going to go up. I know, but on Binance, the leverage tokens are called up or down. Take for example now, let's go to up, check up. Now, these are coins that are listed as leverage tokens. We have ADA, BNB, BTC, EOS. Now, see now, look at leverage token for BNB. On a normal trade, this BNB is on $73, but on the leverage tokens is at $96. Now you would have made profit even more. On leverage tokens now, instead of trading margin or leverage trading, but you can maximize the advantages of leverage trading in a spot trading. So what do I mean? If you know that, let's just take for example now, you get a signal or you checked and then you find out that a coin will go up, especially if it's listed as a leverage token, like you can trade it under XLOP, SLM, UNI, TRX, XXP, LTC, FIL, ETH, EOS, DOT, BTC, BNB, and ADA. If you know that ADA would go up, you just simply go to ADA and buy and set your sell target. You buy ADA up, and then you set your sell to make profit. You buy ADA and you set your sell and you make profit as ADA goes up. As ADA is going up, you make profit. Then if you know that, let's check another one. Let's check another one up. Or let's just use down. Then if the coin would go down, let's use DOT for example. If you know that the coin is going to go down, you buy DOT down and you set your sell. You set your sell. So as the coin is going down, you set your sell for a particular price. As the coin is going down, you will be on profit. So remember, you can't. This is not a trade you do for a long time. This is a way to take profit in a short term, especially when you perceive that the market to be volatile. So if you want to make profit daily, you can trade leverage tokens on. Of course, this thing comes with its risk, and you will gain more experience as you're doing it. As you're trading this, as you're going up, as the more you trade these leverage tokens, the more you get better at it. You can also use OKEx to do this, to trade leverage tokens. So instead of trading leverage, so you know your coin will go up, you buy it and then set your sell target. You know your coin will go down, you do the same. You trade, either it's going to go up, you trade the up version. If it's going to go down, you trade the down version. If you're on your OKEx, it's there as bear and bull, and ETH bear, ETH bull. If the ETH is going to go down, you go and trade ETH pair, ETH bear pair. If it's going to go up, you go and trade ETH bull pair. So this is one way for you to make profit every day with the volatility of a coin, especially if you're not a long-term person, you want to make profits daily. But first of all, make sure you start doing this with a little amount of money till you get better at it, and then you make profits on a daily. So don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this video with someone else. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Also, look forward to more videos from Valucop.